Welcome to lesson 4 of 5-Minute Theory. We've already learned a lot of the basics that you need to know about notation and treble clef. You've learned about quarter notes and bar lines and time signatures. Now we're going to learn about the musical alphabet. Now, all music has note names to them. So we know counts. Counts are related to how many quarter notes are in a measure. Now we're going to learn note names. So a musical alphabet uses, before we even start, I almost forgot, write your name at the top of the page. All right, musical alphabet uses the first 7 letters of the English alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. All right, hopefully you know your alphabet. So I can go forwards in the musical alphabet if I'm going up a scale, or I have to go backwards in the musical alphabet if I'm going down the scale. Let's do the easy thing first. Forwards, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay? Now I can start on any letter. I don't have to always start on A. So if I start on C, I go C, D, E, F, G. Notice I don't go to H. We don't use H in most music. We start over. So G, A, B. All right, so as I'm going forward in the alphabet, if I start on C, I will go C, D, E, F, G, A, B. Okay? If I start on E, I will go E, F, G, A, B, C, D. But now we have to learn how to count backwards, or say the note names backwards, because as we go down a scale, we'll use the backwards version of the alphabet. So instead of going A, B, we're going to go this direction, A to G. A, G, F, E, D, C, B. Now you have this little handy graph there that kind of you can use to cheat for right now. Later on, saying the notes backwards faster gets to be kind of difficult. So we're just starting at the easiest point here. So F, I'm going backwards. So F, E, D, C, B, A. Once I get to A, I have to start over at G. All right, so do you understand how the musical alphabet goes forwards when we're going up the scale, backwards when we're going down the scale? Now, we use the musical alphabet on the staff to name the notes. The first line of the treble clef is the note E. So this is just kind of arbitrary that we're going to start on the note E on the bottom line. Bass clef uses different note names for different lines and spaces. So let's just learn that the names of the lines of the treble clef spell every good boy does fine. You can use any kind of saying that you've learned before. Elvis's guitar broke down Friday, but basically it is the musical alphabet, but every other one. Every good boy deserves fudge. All right, so those are the names of the lines of the treble staff. Let's go to the back side of lesson 4, and let's do these quick writing the note names in these blanks right here on number 5. So first one's pretty simple. This is on the bottom line. Every good boy, every good boy deserves, does, whichever one you want to say. Okay, now we can say that we're using the lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but now we're saying E, G, B, D, F. Every good boy does fine. So as we're counting these, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fine. Every good boy does fine. Every good boy does. Every good boy. Every good. Pretty simple. The faster you get at this, the faster you're going to be able to read music. All right, these are a little bit, on number 7, a little bit all over the place. So see how quick you can do it. Good. Good boy does. Fine. Boy does. All right, can you do it that quickly? All right, now The names of the spaces, the notes on the spaces is, again, every other one, but we're going to start on the note F. So here's your musical alphabet, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, but we're using every other one, I should say. And that, pretty easy, spells the word face. F-A-C-E are the names of the spaces. All right, number 8, F, F-A, F-A-C-E. Okay, all those spaces going straight up. Now, coming back down on number 9, F-A-C-E, F-A-C, F-A-F. All right, now kind of mixed up here. First space is always F. 1, 2, C, A, E. All right, so now we've learned how the notes on the staff are named with the musical alphabet. All right, make sure that you have completed every one of those. Make sure that you've written your name on the front side. If I was your band director, I'd have you tear that out and hand that in. Otherwise, we're just going to keep going to lesson number 5.